If you're anything like me, you absolutely love Christmas time. You get the decorations up bang on time at the start of December and you love celebrating the festive period. If you're also like me, you've got a smart home and you have Siri enabled devices to turn the lights on, put the heating on, etc, etc. Smart Christmas lights are now a thing apparently, and they seem to retail for upwards of 30, 35, even 40 pounds or dollars, which is just far too expensive. So I've got a solution that will cost you less than a tenner or $10, and it's this bad boy here, a Meross smart plug. Basically what this does, it means you can plug your normal Christmas lights, the ones you've already got, into the wall through one of these, and it will let you control the switch using Siri, Alexa or Google. The Siri is a bit of a rare one, not all smart plugs support HomeKit, and this is one of the few that does, which is why it's my top pick. I've been using these bad boys for 4 or 5 years now and they're still working reliably. They've never gone off, it's just perfection for as long as I've been using them. It's a really quick and simple way to use your existing Christmas lights as smart options. You can just plug your existing Christmas lights into the smart plug and then plug it into the wall. You're then going to switch it on and it's going to turn itself on. While you're setting it up for the first time, it's going to default to being on. There is a button on the switch you can use to turn them off, or once it's connected to the Wi-Fi, after you've set it up, you can just use your smart assistant. For example, I'm going to say, hey Siri, turn off the Christmas tree. And it goes off behind me. The best part here is that you can set up as many as you want and you can put them in bundles. So for example, if I shout, hey Siri, turn on the office lights. Not only is Siri going to turn on the newly set up Christmas tree and Christmas lights, but also the lamp over here that's been set up with one of these. That's all I've got today, just a quick festive tip that's going to get your smart home Christmas lights set up for less than £10 or $10. If you like this sort of content, please drop a like on the video, maybe leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more.